3 reasons why your employees hate your training and what to do about it. Reason number 3, training is an interruption. It's time consuming. As a facilitator, we all know that training is an interruption in the regular routine of everyday work and something that can make someone feel frustrated because they're going to go to the training, sit there and listen, and then come back and feel behind in their activities. So how do we deal with this? There's a lot of different things. And the first has to do with respecting the time, delivering learning in a way that makes sense for that person. Maybe it's through micro-learning, offering flexible choices for them to complete the learning. Maybe there's existing workflows. So let's talk about this in detail. 1, break down your content into short snippets. It could be 5 or 10-minute modules. They can complete that in between tasks. Doesn't require them to completely remove themselves for a whole day or half a day. Instead, in between tasks or as they're waiting for something or completing a project, in their downtime in between those things, they can complete those 5 to 10-minute modules. Maybe the second thing you can do is integrate training into tools they're already using. If you're utilizing Teams or Slack or some other communication tool, insert training into that content. It could be a quick reference guide. It could be a short video talking about a topic. Integrate into what they're already using every day. Maybe you do Fast Fact Friday, and every Friday you have a fast fact on some topic of interest that would benefit and help your team improve in some particular area. It's something that could be short and within their actual tools they're already utilizing. The next thing that you can do is called drip training. This is done through email, and you can send an email. It could be once a week. It could be once a day for 1 week. You have some kind of parameters around that you're setting the expectation. Every day at 10 o'clock, you'll receive this email on the training, or every Monday at 10 o'clock, you'll receive it for the next month. You let them know there's going to be a drip training email that's coming through that gives them pieces of information that they can keep up with throughout their regular routine and their regular day. Of course, the other option is offering on-demand training. This is something they can do on their own time. This could be video, it could be e-learning based, it could be more AR or VR related, depending on what you're training them to do. But nevertheless, it's on demand for them. They decide when they're going to take it, when they're going to complete it. For that to really work, you want to give them a parameter of time. This training needs to be completed sometime within the next 2 weeks, sometime within the next month, sometime within the next quarter, whatever that may be. You let them know the expectation, but then they're the ones who are determining when they can fit it into their schedule. This helps employees to hate training less and think of it less as an interruption and something they have more control over as to when they're going to complete it. So the final thing to help your employees not hate training and think that it's time consuming and an interruption is to give managers information and visibility on the training that's being completed. This helps managers to not only see what's being done and in the timely manner, but they're able to incorporate that in coaching conversations and in weekly meetings to celebrate when different team members complete something, create visibility around the fact that training is a priority. So this is the third reason why your employees hate training and what you can do about it.